Hi there and welcome to the channel. Today I will talk about the hands device. The hands device is an important part. If you have 6-point harness in your car, you really need and it's recommended to use a hands device. I choose a hands device from Schroth. Schroth is a German company and they are really good on this kind of safety equipment. For example, the Porsche GT4 has a Schroth harness as a standard. Let's open and see how it looks like. There is a strap here to show that it's never have been opened. This is FIA approved, of course, so it's good enough for the racetrack, especially for me as an amateur. This is the simplest version of the FHR Schroth systems. So in the bag that you can carry the device with you on the racetrack. That's nice to have. We have the device itself. We try it on and it's perfect for me. This size is large. Medium is a little bit more narrow, so it depends on your thickness of your neck. You shouldn't have any interference with your neck, like that can scratch your neck or whatever. It should be nice and snug. So this is perfect for me. And there is some straps again that we need to take care of, like that. And there is some warning instructions how you not should use it probably. And here you see the harness that should be connected to your helmet, so you can turn your heads, but in case of an impact, this should keep your head in place and not extract your spine or something like that. Together with the device, there is a lot of instructions. Oh, you get a sticker, the American way, we like that. Good Schroth. And here we have all the instructions that you need to know exactly how you should use the system or the device, and also how you, I forgot to say it, but in the package you got anchors for a helmet as well. Because normal hands devices has a special system, but the Schroth device has a different anchor system that you need to use on your helmet. So you need to disconnect the anchor system that you have if you used to have another brand, and you need to put this on, the Schroth SHR anchors on your helmet. So that's more or less what's in the bag. This is a good carry bag that you can bring with you when you go to the track. You always have your device with you, nice and clean in the bag. So this is perfect too. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to give us the thumbs up, subscribe, and then we see you in the next one. Bye.